myself Mridula. As students, today in the last video we have discussed about interest on loan. Today we are going to consider the yearly rent if any partner has given his premises. So it means what about the treatment of rent that must be provided to him or her. तो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था तीन केसेस में, एक का मैनेजर्स कमीशन इज गिवन इफ एनी इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, पार्टनर्स लोन इज देयर एंड एनी रेंट दैट इज पेड by the firm to the partner for the premises used by the firm. So how those will be treated? They are not shown in appropriation. They are shown. They are a charge against profit. So they are shown in P&L account. So here I have taken today question number 19th and 21st. In the 19th question, two partners are there, Radha and Rukmani, and their profit sharing ratio that is given 1:2, and interest on capital, capitals are 2 lakh, 3 lakh, interest on capital 8%, salary to the Rukmani 20,000 per annum that is given, and further Radha has given his premises so for the use, so that is why the firm is paying rent, that is yearly rent is given 1,20,000, and your profit before the above adjustment of yearly rent that is 5,50,000. So we have to make the P&L appropriation to show the division of profit. So here we start our question with our profit, that is my net profit 5,50,000 minus rent, the rent paid to a partner 1,20,000. I'll deduct here 4,30,000, and then the other treatments that are to interest on capital, Radha and Rukmani. Here 8% is given, 16,000, 24,000, 40,000. Then salary to Rukmani, here 20,000 per month is given. To yearly salary 2,40,000. Both all the points that we have treated, and after that we are going to find out the divisible profit, that is 4,30,000. Two divisible profit that will be divided between Radha and Rukmani, 4,30,000. After deducting these, it comes to be your 1,50,000. 1:2, 50,000 and 1 lakh. So it will be our divisible profit, that after treating the yearly rent, we are going to calculate the divisible profit. Now in question number 21st, again two partners are given, A and B, and then capital 6 lakh and 4 lakh are given. In this question it is given that the profit sharing ratio will be their capital ratio. तो इनकी capital ratio निकाल लेते हैं 3:2, and then the monthly salary of each partner A and B 20,000 given, interest on capital 8%, then again quarterly rent 24,000, and further one more point, interest on partner's loan. A has provided a loan of rupees 1 lakh and B has given a loan of 50,000 on 1st July. Both the points are given in this question, and the main thing in this question, the loss is given. I have already told you whether there is a loss even, these adjustments we have to make. Yearly rent bhi dena padega as interest on loan that we have to provide. So we'll start with our question. To net loss, then to rent, quarterly rent यानी 24,000 multiply 4, 96,000. To interest on loan, here I'll make P&L account because other adjustments are not given. So interest on loan A and B. Now here is, whenever the rate of interest is not given, then we just allow 6%. From 1st July to 31st March, it comes to be 9 months, and here also 6%, and for B 9 months. So our next thing is to calculate the interest on loan. It comes to be your, by calculating all this, 4,500 and 2,250. These are to be treated as a charge, so I'll write down here 4500 2250 6750. Now, already net loss 17,250. This rent we have to provide, and this interest on loan we have to give to the partners. So our total loss, it comes to be here 1,20,000, and this loss will be transferred to partners capital account A and B in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2, 72,000 and 48,000. So how to treat with these items? Both are to be shown here, and after treating, the net loss will be transferred to the capital account. In both the questions, I have taken the rent point as well as in this question, both the points are considered. I hope all these questions are clear to you. If there is any query, you can call me or you can write down in the group. Thank you and have a nice day.